Welcome all. Articles. The demonstrative adjectives a, an, the. These are called articles. Articles are of two kinds. One, indefinite article an. Definite article the. Definite article the. A and N is called indefinite articles because these indicate person or thing uncertainly. As Kamran came here, I eat an egg. This is a you. She looked an owl and feared. This is called definite article because it indicates particular things or persons. As the woman is old, the horse is too late, the man is young. Use of a এর ব্যবহার Generally a is placed before consonant. সাধারণত কনসোনেন্টের পূর্বে বসে I am a boy, this is a book. Alam is a good student, this is a pen, that is a chair. It is a magazine, she is a girl, it is a bottle. It is a bottle, it is a CD, it is a dog. Rule 2. Before uncertain person or thing, a is used as a Rahim came here, a Hassan came here, I see a bird. I see a gang of robbers. He is a doctor. Rule number 3. If the word begins with E and E is pronounced like U, then A is used. This is a U, she is a European. Number 4. If the word begins with U and U is pronounced like U, then A is used before the word. She is a university student. It is a useful bag. It is a useful bag. That is a U. That is a U. The student formed a union. It is a unique. He is a unique student. Mr. Patrick Dougherty is a European. The cow is a useful animal. Rule number 5. If the word begins with O and O is pronounced like Oa, then it is used before the word. He is a one-eyed man. It is also a one-act play. That was a one-act play. The man helped a one-eyed man. Please give me a 1 taka note. She gave the beggar a 1 taka note. To use proper or abstract noun as a singular common noun, A is used as Mirzapur can destroy a nation. She is a beauty. You are a Hitler. You are a Nazrul Aisi. He is a Rabindranath. Rule number 7. A is placed before plural noun with few, little, good, many, lot of, great many, great deal of, good deal of, etc. As a few persons were present there, there are a few apples on the table. He had a great deal of money. He lived a great many years. They have bought a lot of things. It had a great many years. The old man lived a great many years ago. Rule number 8. A is placed to describe the man by noun. He is a cricketer. A is placed with a singular common noun before quite many, rather, but more, not many and such, etc. As Robinson Crusoe was quite a famous sailor, Mr. Hussain is rather a gentleman. You are but a child, not a person was present there. Not a rickshaw is seen in the road. He is rather a brilliant student. Many a man was present in the meeting. Rule 10. A is used in some phrase as in a nutshell, in a temper, in a fix. Rule 11. A is used before numerical expression as couple, dozen, 100, 1,000, million, score, etc. As 100 girls came out from school, there are 1,000 of people. Here are a dozen of eggs. Rule number 12. A is used before each noun or compare between two nouns. He is both a farmer and a businessman. It is as essential as a pen or a paper. Rule 13. A is placed before common noun to mean race with consonant. It is a dog. That is a cow. He had a goat. Rule number 14. A is placed before singular common noun, that is a book. She has a pen. A is placed before first adjective while it qualifies two or more adjectives of same persons or things. As Mr. Sabir wants a red and blue pen. I want a blue and red shirt. Sheila wants a beautiful and white bird. A is placed before proper noun to mean comparison. As you are a Shakespeare, I see. You are a Nazrul, I see. You are a Rabindranath Tagore, I see. He is a Munirul, I see. You will be a Fazlul Haq. 17. Rule. A is placed before abstract noun used as concrete noun. As Helen was a beauty. Mamata's Mahal is a beauty. She is a needy. Marilyn Monroe is a beauty. Marilyn Monroe is a beauty. Rule 18. A is placed to mean emphasis as not a girl was present, not a gun was fired, not a drop of water was in the pot. Sometimes A is placed before Mr., Mrs., Miss, MS. As Miss Mina sought her help, Mr. Rahman called at my office. Miss Helen called at my home. A is placed before adjectives while two or so are available in the sentence consonant. This is too serious a matter for him to overlook. Iron is so useful a metal. 21st. I is placed after what, how, such to mean exclamation. As what a pretty girl, how nice a bird. 22 is placed before numerical expression as couple, dozen, score, 100,000, million, etc. She earns 100 taka a day. They sold a dozen apples. At least a million of people attended the meeting. Sometimes disguised preposition placed as a. He went on hunting. 24. A is placed before special meal. The dinner was excellent. I had a meal in my friend's house. 25. A is placed before abbreviation word with consonant. As Mina is a BA. Hassan is a BAG. Kohinoor is a BSc. That's all. Allah Hafiz.